Hi guys, and welcome to the farm. So today's going to be a little different. Today I'm behind the camera, and my hands will be pretty much the only thing you see. And we're going to be covering a very simple topic. It's how do I set up and use my Beesmoker for the first time? This subject is so simple that a lot of people don't know it because nobody bothers to tell you about it. And to be honest, it's a very odd looking contraption. For most people just getting into beekeeping, this is a little container, a little can of mystery. So let's get it open, take a look, and demystify this. So this little guy right here is the platform on which your material is going to sit while it burns. And what a lot of people don't realize is you're supposed to bend these tabs out. And it makes little feet or little legs for it to stand on down in the bottom of the burn chamber. So that when the air, which comes out of the bellows here and into the burn chamber here, can come in underneath this little platform and then can flow up through the platform through your medium, the material that you're burning, and create the smoke. The problem is if you have material all the way down in here, it compacts in this area and you can't get the air in. You can puff and puff all you want on this bellows, but you're not getting anywhere. No oxygen, your fire goes out. So now that we've bent our legs, all we have to do is drop it in. And it's upside down. It will always do that. I bet I can drop this thing 100 times and it will still do that. So what I'm going to do is I've got a very long screwdriver that's rather thick. I believe this is a number 1 Phillips, I believe. No, sorry, number 3 Phillips. Barely fits in the hole. I stick it in there and then let it down. Now, if you can see, let me move the camera slightly. I think you can see it. It is now resting in the bottom of the can on its legs. So I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. And whether you're a seasoned veteran, you've just been doing it wrong and fighting this thing for years, or you're a newbie just getting started, I hope this points you in the right direction. And remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, and as always, thanks for joining me on the farm.